Okay, here we go. Today we're going to learn some jumps for the balance beam, and we're going to teach you in a way that we would teach our team members. So if you ever want to try out for team, you will already know and understand how to do this. Go ahead, and what we're going to do is just review the arms of jumping. So when we jump, we start in a stretch, arms are up, and our arms swing down on the side and up in front, down on the side, up in front. So see how tight her arms are? We always want your entire body tight. Okay, nice and tight. I hate to use the word stiff, but if that's better for you to understand, then that's what we want to do. Okay, so let's do this 10 times together. Down on the side, up in the front. So, down on the side and front. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, so there's your arms for jumping. Now we're going to add legs, but we're not really going to jump. We're just going to pretend we're jumping, and we're going to go up on our toes each time. So stretch and go 1, up. Good. And start over. Here we go. Stretch and go down. Push through your toes. Good. And then again, stretch and go down. Push up through your toes. Good. And we're going to do 3 more together. Here we go. Arms swing down. When they pull up, you push through your toes. Again. Good. Oops. You got a little twisted. Okay, start in a stretch, down, and push through your toes as your arms pull up. Okay, very good. Now, this time we're actually right now we're going to show what position we land in. So once we get in the air, we have to come back down on the beam, and notice that she's in her beam stance. Okay, her feet are in the correct position, and when you land, your knees bend and your booty tucks under, and your arms stop in front of you, just like this. So, Sophia, can you go ahead and stick your booty out behind you? There you go. Do you see the difference? Booty's out. Now we say tuck your hips under, and then it flattens her back a little bit. She's leaning back a little bit, I think. There we go. Bent knees, booty tucked under or hips tucked under, and arms in front of you. So now we're not going to jump, but we're going to go through those motions again. So stretch. Everybody do this with us. Make sure your feet are in a beam stance. Here we go. Arms swing down, and then arms pull up. You push through your toes, and then we come down and we land. Again, stretch. We're doing this together. You guys at home should be joining us. Here we go. Arms down on the side, and pretend to jump. Pull up, push through your toes, and come down and land. Again, stretch. Swing. Push through your toes, land, stretch, swing, push through your toes and land. 3 more times, stretch, swing, push through your toes and land. Make sure your knees bend on a little bit as your arms swing down. Okay, stretch, oops, and go swing, push through your toes, land, stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. Good. Okay, now this time we're actually going to jump. We're going to do a straight jump. And Sophia's going to show us how to land after being in the air. Here we go. Swing, push through your toes, and land. Good. Stretch, and everybody join in. Stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. So notice that her arms, when she jumps, they go all the way up by her ears. They don't stop halfway. Okay, so when you push through your toes, your arms go all the way up to the top, and then they can drop back down for your landing. Here we go. Stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. And why am I saying push through your toes? Because when you jump in the air in gymnastics, your toes should be pointed. So you're going to push all the way through your toes, and then when your feet leave the floor, they should be pointed in the air. Here we go. Stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. There we go. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to challenge you to do a tuck jump instead. We're going to use the same motions, and we're going to do a tuck jump. Okay, stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. Same concept, same motions. Here we go. Stretch, swing, jump, and land. Good. One more time. Stretch, swing, push through your toes, and land. Good job. Okay, now go ahead, pause this video, and try your straight jumps and your tuck jumps 10 times each. See you in a minute. Okay, how did that go? Did everybody do a great job? Quick review. Just the arms, stretch, down on the side, up in front. Now we add our legs down on the, now we're going to go up onto our toes, down on the side, up in the front. Good. And now we're going to add our landing, down on the side, up in the front, and land. Now we're going to do a straight jump, stretch, down on the side, push through your toes, and land. Oh, we're going to do the actual jump this time. Stretch, down on the side, up in front, land. And we're going to do one tuck jump, stretch, down on the side, tuck jump, and finish. Good. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Have a great day.